Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Vibrant red fruits and vegetables like tomatoes provide lycopene,
a plant compound thought to help protect against certain kinds of cancer like prostate cancer.
Since June is Men's Health Month, enjoy more tomato-based recipes like these.
Grilled tomato caprese salad. Whisk together olive oil, vinegar, steak seasoning, basil, and mustard. Brush tomato slices with olive oil and sprinkle with steak seasoning. Grill each side, top with mozzarella, and grill 1 more minute. Drizzle dressing over tomatoes and serve.
Barbara's spaghetti with herbs and fresh tomato sauce. Warm marinara sauce, olive oil, stir in tomatoes, garlic, salt, and pepper, and remove from heat. Place cooked spaghetti in a large bowl with chives, oregano, parsley, basil, and parmesan. Toss to combine, top with sauce, and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.